guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech TV. Myself Harshit. Let's start today's topic. You must have seen many people who are fond of social media. Social media plays a major role in our life, and WhatsApp is also known as the heart of social media. And in today's video, I am going to tell you that how can you operate WhatsApp from your desktop through any browser. So let's get started. Guys, I really need subscribers, so please subscribe my YouTube channel to stay updated about my videos. So guys, let's jump to our desktop. Now I am on my desktop here. I have to open any of my browser. I will use Chrome here, so I will just open it and just search for web.whatsapp.com, for which the link is also given in the description, and then I will be redirected to this page. And now I have to scan this QR code from my Android, so that we have to go to our Android camera. So guys, let's jump to our Android screen. So now we are on our Android screen, and now we have just to open WhatsApp and click on the three dots present at the top right of the screen. And then we have to click on the WhatsApp web, that is the third one option. And when we will click on it, here will be the list of logged in devices. And then we have to click on the positive sign at the top right of the screen. When we will click it, here will be a scanner opened for us, through which we have to scan the QR code present on the PC. So let's do it, guys. When we will scan the QR code, the WhatsApp will instantly get started on our PC screen. Let me show you. For which we have to go to our desktop. So guys, let's go. So now we are on our desktop, and as you can see, WhatsApp is working properly on the desktop without any issue. Through this method, you can easily share your media directly through your desktop to any device by WhatsApp web. If you got any of the error while doing the whole process, then comment down below. I will definitely reply your comments. If you like this video, please don't miss to subscribe my channel. So thank you guys. Stay happy, stay safe in your homes. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.